Smashers, 17 big points today, MG, with 58% attack efficiency. Congratulations on the bronze medal. I want to talk about the last moments of the game first, right when you subbed in at the tail end of set 3. What was going through your mind at these crucial moments to finish it off?
Syempre, coming from the outside, medyo matagal din kami. So, execute lang, just give your best. Iisip ko lang talaga pumatay ng bola. So, yun lang yung nasa isip ko ron. Medyo malamig, pero nakaraos naman.
And then I talked about this with you earlier at the dugout. 19 times already you are in the podium, especially after this game. Tell me, how does it feel to be part of this legacy with Fremont?
Well, we're very blessed. We're blessed with great management. Sir Jonathan, Sir Alan, Ma'am Liz Ann, Sir Rolly, and Attorney Lily and Miss Cathy. Our management has always been there to support all throughout those 19 podium finishes. Of course, the fans na talagang walang sawang nanunood. Grabe din yung passion nila, kaya na-encourage kami maglaro. And of course, we're blessed by everything that God has given us. So, we just hope na tuloy-tuloy yung team, walang mga injuries, and makabalik lahat. That's our prayer for our next season.
All right, any more messages, any more people you'd like to thank? Go ahead.
To our families, all of the families of my teammates, our coaches, thank you all for watching. Kita-kita tayo next season. Thank you so much for supporting the Creamline Tool Smashers. God bless you guys.
All right, congratulations once again to Michelle Gumaba, your player of the game. Creamline are your bronze medal finishers here at the Invitational. Hi, man, Jamie.